Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the God Chalice. This mystical item is crucial for high-level gameplay, allowing you to summon formidable raid bosses and unlock advanced abilities. We will cover the 3 primary ways to obtain it, ensuring you have a clear path to adding this valuable artifact to your inventory. Let's dive into the details of each method. The most recommended way to get the God Chalice is by hunting elite pirates. First, head to the castle on the sea and speak with the elite hunter to receive a target. These powerful foes, with approximately 80,000 health, have a 2 to 5% chance of dropping the chalice upon defeat. You can repeat this quest every 10 minutes, making it a consistent farming strategy. Beyond elite pirates, 2 other methods can yield the God Chalice. You can pray at the haunted castle gravestone once each night, offering a 1% chance for the chalice and other rewards. Alternatively, the chalice can randomly appear in chests, but only in servers that have been running for at least 4 hours. This chest method is best utilized on a private server for optimal results. Once you acquire the God Chalice, you can use it to summon the formidable Rip into a raid boss or trade it for the sweet chalice to challenge the Doe King. For efficient hunting, remember to use observation hacky to pinpoint elite pirates. If the elite hunter has no quests, consider server hopping to quickly find an active one. Good luck on your quest.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.